Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of Shopware multi-vendor grouped product plugin. Now this particular plugin helps the sellers to add grouped products on the website there. The sellers can now increase the spectrum of their business by the addition of this new type of product, that's the grouped product. With the help of this plugin, the vendors just like the admin can take the advantage of selling grouped products. The plugin gives the customers a variety of product purchase, thus enhancing the user engagement. So all in all, this particular plugin helps the sellers to create grouped products with multiple products. Grouped products are shown on the product details page. Customers can select a choice of grouped products to add to the cart. Customers can update the quantity or remove any of the grouped products. The store admin can also create grouped products from the admin backend panel. Kindly note that this particular plugin is an add-on to the Shopware multi-seller marketplace by Webcool. So you must have first installed the same before making use of the plugin. That's the Shopware multi-vendor group product plugin. So in today's video tutorial, I'll be taking you through the workflow of the Shopware multi-vendor group product at the customers end, how the customers would be able to view the particular group product on the product page. Then I'll be showing you how the vendors would be able to add the group products from their account panel itself. And lastly, I'll be showing you the same on the admins end as well. But before I proceed further with this particular video tutorial, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So right now you can see that I'm on one of the categories here on the storefront, and here I'm having different products, and for some products I've created the group products there. So for example, if I tap on the iPhone there, you can see that the base product, that's the iPhone is for 150 euros there, and here we have the products in the group as well. For example, the AirPods, so the customer can only purchase the base product, or if he wants he can purchase the products in the group as well. So for example, if I want to purchase this particular base product only, I can tap here on the add to shopping cart, and only the base product, as you can see, the iPhone is getting added into the shopping cart. But if I want to purchase the iPhone as well as the products within the group as well, for example we have the AirPods as well, then I can select the AirPod and I can choose the quantity of the AirPods that I want to purchase, and then I can tap here on the add to shopping cart, and the particular base product as well as the product in the group are added into the cart for making a checkout thereafter. Now let me give you another example there. Let's go to the group product category, and here let me open the shoes or the sneakers product. So here you can see that I've put two more products in the group there. For the base product, that's the sneakers. So if the customer wants, he can add the particular base product that's for 150 euros to the cart and can make a checkout. Otherwise, if he wants, he can also purchase the products that are within the group product that are there within the group provided along with the base product, like the wallet and the belt. So for example, if I tap only the add to cart button without selecting the products in the group, the base product would be added into the cart. Now if I choose the wallet and the belt and I update the quantities for the same and tap here on the add to shopping cart, then one base product, two wallet and two belt products are added into the cart thereafter to make a checkout very easily by the customer. So that's how the group products appear on the product page. We have the base product, that's the sneakers for example, and we have the products that we have added to the base product as group products there, like the wallet and the belt there. So accordingly the customer can choose any one of the products from the group product as well, and can update the quantity there and can then add them to the shopping cart by tapping on the add to shopping cart itself, right? So that was the workflow at the customers end. Now let me take you to the sellers end. So I've already logged into the seller account panel, as you can see from here, and what I'll do is I'll just go to my product list, your product list. So the grouped products can be added to any newly created product that you're going to create, or to an already created product as well. So for example, let me give you an example of an already created product. For example, we have sneakers here. So what I'll do is under the actions column, I'll tap here on the edit button. On the general section here, I'll just scroll down, and there I'll find one section with the name grouped product option. So what we need to do is we need to check this option, and then we have this add products to group button. So from here, as you can see on the front end, let me show you the front end once again. For that, let me take you to the particular group product section, and let me open the group product, that's the sneaker. So group product options can be added. So now here you can see that for the sneakers, for the sneakers product, I have added the wallet and the belt with the price 250 euros. So the same is visible here, the wallet and the belt for 250 euros. And I've set the default quantity as 1, so that's why the default quantity is being shown here as 1 and 1. And if I want to add more products to the group here, I can tap here on the add products to group, and all of the products within my store would be visible here. And from here I can choose different products, and I can tap here on the add selected products, and those products would also be added to the group product option here. And then what I need to do is I just need to tap here on the update product to update the same, and the rest of the products would also be listed here within the group product options for the base product there itself. Right, now let me show you if we are going to add a new product. So for that, I'll go to your products, and here I'll tap on the add product. So here you have to fill in the basic details of the product name, rest of the things. And then we have the group product option. Here you have to check this option, this particular section would appear. Then you have to tap on the add products to group, and whichever products that you want to provide to the group, here you want to select them up, add selected products, and those products would be set up as the group product options there. As you can see from here, you can set the default quantity that should be visible to the customers for the group product options on the product description page, and accordingly the default quantities would be set for those products there. So this was the workflow at the vendors end. Now let's hop on to the admin backend panel, and let's see how the admin would be able to do the same. So here I have one admin product that I've already created, that's the iPhone. And for this iPhone, I've added the group product option as AirPods. So you can purchase the base product only, or you can purchase the group product options that are available, like the AirPods along with the base product as well, as per your own requirement. So already I have some products in the cart. Let me remove them out. So I'll just remove them out. So if I only tap here on the add to shopping cart, the base product would be added, as you can see. Otherwise, if I want to purchase the AirPods along with the base product, then I can select the AirPods and choose the quantity of the AirPods that I want to purchase, and then tap on the add to shopping cart to add the particular ones to the shopping cart. So we have one iPhone and one AirPods for the same there, right? Now let me take you to the admin backend panel for the Shopware 6, and let me enter the username, password, and tap on the login button thereafter. Now after the successful login, what we need to do is we need to navigate to catalogs and products. Here we'll see the complete list of products that the admin has added. So here I'll go to the iPhone product and I'll open it in the edit mode. After opening it up in the edit mode, I need to similarly scroll down to the section that says group product section. So here we are having the group product section. So here you can see that for the iPhone, I had added the group product as AirPod. The same was visible here as well for the iPhone product. I added the AirPods as the group product option there, right? If I want, I can add multiple ones as well by tapping here, and this will bring up the selection for selecting the products there, and I can add multiple group products to this particular base product as well, as per my own requirement there. And then these other ones would also be reflected here on the product description page. So this was for an already created product. Now for example, if you're going to create a new product, let me go to the product section once again, and here let me tap on the add product button. So here we'll fill up the basic general information for the product there, and then we'll scroll down to the group product section here. And here what we need to do is we need to tap here, and this would bring up the particular products, or you can also search for the products by entering the name of the products there. And after entering the name of the product, for example, you can go ahead and for example, let me choose main product. I'll enter main product with properties, main product free shipping with highlighting, etc. Right. So after selecting these products here, I can then save the particular product. And after saving the product, the group product options like the main product with properties, and main product with free shipping with highlighting, these three different products would be the group product options for the base product that we have all created here with the particular title name and the rest of the description there. So yes, that was much about the Shopware multi-vendor group product, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the workflow of the same. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions or requirements regarding the same, then you can anytime get back to us at support@webcool.com, or you can raise a ticket at webcool.uvdesk.com as well. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video, and have a great day ahead.